Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is my gas furnace. Except it's not gas. It's what they call a waste oil burner. So this is something I knocked up the other day as a bit of a prototype. I wanted to see if I could increase the temperatures around my crucible. I was rather getting the shits. It was taking a very long time to melt large amounts of aluminium. So even though it was pissing down rain, I decided I was going to give this a bit of a test run, and this is how it ran. Check this shit out. So for once, I'm just going to shut up and let you have a listen and watch the next 1 minute of this thing running and see what you think. So look at that. That is bloody incredible. That thing is glowing almost white hot. I estimate that to be around 1300 degrees Celsius. And I'll tell you in a second how I managed to get to that figure. So let me show you how this thing works. My beautiful illustrations. Oh, okay. So first we have a source of air, right? Compressed air, fan forced, whatever you want to call it, right? Basically like a turbo going into a car. And what we're doing is we're just dropping oil into it, just letting it free run. You can spray it in there if you like, but basically you just drop it in there and it mixes with the air, right, and goes into the burn chamber. The burn chamber then has a slight angle on the pipe, right? I welded a piece of quarter-inch, no it wasn't, it was like a couple of mils worth of steel across the front of the pipe, make it so it goes into a vortex, right? That makes sure you get an even burn all the way through. And after it's all completely burned, it goes into the center, like a whirlpool when you're flushing the shitter, and goes up into the pipe, into the crucible. Well, into the container that holds the crucible, the furnace. Here's the picture here of it. Very, very basic principle. Now, how do I approximate what kind of temperature I'm getting out of this thing? Do I have a laser gun that goes to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit? No, I don't, because I can't bloody afford one. But, check this out. That was my first crucible. That is made of steel. Yes, and steel melts at over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,500 actually, and around 13 blah 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 point something or other degrees Celsius. That's how hot that friggin' thing got. So yeah, she's hotter than Grandma's curry, mate, I tell ya. So smash the sub button and click the bell icon if you like my videos. I put out a couple each week, and hopefully we'll see you real soon. I'll see you around like a rissole.